This traffic mess on Highway 36 could stick around for a while. The eastbound lane is cracked in the middle near the 104th Avenue exit. CDOT engineers spent much of yesterday and today trying to figure out what happened. Now emergency repairs are needed on this stretch of the Boulder Turnpike, and it could take days before the work is done. Our Michael Abeda is live along the turnpike, and Michael, CDOT engineers were able to figure out what caused the road to crack.
Tori, in short, it was the ground. The long story, you can see that part of the highway is actually up on a bridge that goes over some railroad tracks. Right there where they're working on it, that's the ground underneath that bridge that settled, which caused the roadway to crack when it also settled.
We core through the concrete, and then we drill down through the soil.
Saturday, eastbound US 36 was closed as CDOT crews tried to determine what caused a large crack in the roadway to develop Friday morning.
We pulled off the top concrete and saw some significant settlement. We've taken some borings with a drill rig from the top down to examine the soil and try to figure out what's happening and why things are settling. Once we obtain that information, we move down to the slope adjacent to US 36, and we've taken some borings and some information of the soil conditions down there as well.
The conclusion, moist soil under the highway caused by all the rain we've been getting caused a slope failure, which led to a void in the road base between 150 and 200 feet long and about 10 feet wide.
We are looking at a pretty large slope failure on US 36.
Saturday, crews worked to stop the slope from sliding and to get at least part of the roadway opened, but that might take a while.
I don't anticipate that the road will be open by the work week.
Even if they can get one lane open, this is going to be a long-term restoration project.
The problem with this one is the incident is ongoing. It's still moving. We still haven't stopped the movement from happening.
So if you're headed from Boulder to Denver anytime this weekend or even this week, you might want to find another route.
I would advise not taking US 36.
Well, I told you there was a train tracks back there. There's the train, but if you could see behind that train, you would see that crews are actually dumping dirt at the base of that slope. What they're trying to do is they're trying to get it to stop sliding. If that doesn't work, their long-term solution is to put in some concrete caissons there to keep it from sliding permanently. In Westminster, Michael Abeda, covering Colorado First.
Thank you, Michael.